STEP TECHNO Solutions. We design, engineer, and manufacture world-class products and solutions for surface treatment industry. Hot dip galvanizing plants, electroplating plants, anodizing plants, pickling plants, phosphating plants. We specialize in large-scale hot dip galvanizing plants undertaking turnkey projects from design to commissioning. Our work includes engineering, procurement, manufacturing, installation and commissioning of hot dip galvanizing plants. We offer our STEPsmart hot dip galvanizing plants as semi-automatic or automatic plants with all equipment for galvanizing, including pre-treatment, galvanizing and post-treatment, and associated pollution control equipments conforming to environment, health and safety standards. Black material is loaded onto jigs and transported to sections of pre-treatment, drying, galvanizing, post-treatment and inspection stations by cranes. Pre-treatment of the material goes through degreasing, acid pickling and fluxing solutions carried out in STEP-strong process tanks. Our STEP-strong process tanks are fusion-welded tanks ensuring zero leakage and trouble-free service use for life. STEP-strong process tanks are customized by size, volume, and materials of construction as per the required application. After the processes of degreasing, pickling, and fluxing, the material to be galvanized is sent to the recirculating hot air dryer, ensuring the material is fully dry before being dipped in molten zinc. After drying, the material is transferred to the kettle which holds the molten zinc. The kettle is fueled by our STEPsmart high-velocity pulse-fired furnace. STEPsmart furnace systems are fully automated furnace systems with various fuel options and control sequences, providing uniform zinc temperature and low fuel consumption for the most optimum galvanized surface finish. Post-galvanizing, the material is sent to quench and passivation tanks before final inspection and unloading. STEP TECHNO SOLUTIONS has collaborated with Kingfield Technology and Equipment, Australia, to bring world-class processes, automation, and equipment for Indian hot-dip galvanizing industry. STEP TECHNO SOLUTIONS. Excellence at every step.